What's up guys, this is Chris with Half Chrome. A month or two ago I had a chance to go to North Carolina and the drone I brought with me was this guy here, the Evo II. I chose to bring it with me because I wanted a really good camera drone and I needed to do some more work with it, see if I really enjoy using this drone. And the more I use it, the more I like it. Really one of those drones you just love to bring with you. It's got 13 cameras, super impressive. What I want to talk about right now is the indoor mode that it has. I think this is a mode that's just missing from way too many drones, from big names you might be more familiar with. Having that mode just makes things so much easier. I want to fly inside. I don't want GPS. I want position tracking on the ground, that optical flow cameras. I do want them working a lot of the time at least. Unless you want to fly in ADI mode, which makes me a little nervous indoors in close quarters where things can drift around. I really like having that stability of being able to look down at my remote for a second without worrying about the drone drifting into a wall. So down in the Charlotte area near Charlotte Motor Speedway, Bill and Billy Venturini run a racing school. So they hooked me up with some stuff here. Their family, you might be familiar with the Venturini name. Wendy Venturini also involved in broadcasting in that sport. So we got a chance to tour their garage, and that's one of the reasons I brought this too. It has that indoor mode. Now I've flown the DJI drones indoors. I took the Zoom in particular recently for a job. I'm never super comfortable, right? Having that comfort of a mode that's designed to be flown indoors just gives you, that sense that you're doing the right thing and you don't have to worry about changing multiple settings and worry about your drone flying into the ceiling or losing track of position control, those kinds of things. There's a certain record of people having issues with that. For example, for some reason indoors, sometimes your remote disconnects briefly. I don't know why really. I was flying 20 feet away and it happened. But if you didn't have the right mode turned on, your drone could fly up into the ceiling, try to do a return to home, or do something else kind of crazy. So overall, I do like having that mode. And you can see here, I got some really great footage with this drone. Always flying very close, line of sight, making sure I'm not hitting something. Overall, I love having that mode. Hooked Venturini Motorsports up with this footage. Hopefully they throw it up on their website. Had a lot of fun doing it, and it's some really cool looking stuff. I couldn't believe how many cars they had in there. So in the future, I hope to see that indoor mode on more drones like this. Of course, until then, this is probably my favorite drone flying indoors, the Autel Evo II. So this was a quick one today, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you can learn more about the Evo II, new drones from Autel coming out, and all of the other drones that we review. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.